Let's see. Okay, it looks like Sprite or something, you know that. Okay, so it is super unique, and I've never had this kind of drink before. I can't really understand the taste of it, but it's very bold. It's very bold taste. It has a lot of taste to it. Also, it has some kind of bitter taste to it. I can't find the ginger touch to it, but maybe because of that ginger thing, that bitterness is coming. But I don't know. I just can't like it's a very unique taste. It's difficult to describe what I'm feeling after having it. So okay, it's a very very unique taste. So uh it has that strong fizz. It has that strong. After trying drinks like these, I think it's a I don't know what to say about it, but it's more like you can have it in shots. It's that kind of drink. It's very strong flavor. It's a very strong flavor, and I think most of the people could have different opinions. I have like a mixed reaction to this thing. Like I can't say it's bad. I can't say it's very very good. So I'm like I'm like okay with this drink. Like if you want to try something unique, you can just try this thing. But yeah, so the final verdict is, if I have to choose, between these three drinks, I think I'm gonna go with the can, like my type of taste. I would say, obviously, all of this is subjective. I'm not saying that something is bad or something is good, but according to me, I think this one wins because it has the perfect fizz. Plus, it's a soda. It tastes like the basic soda. Plus, it has the most beautiful color to ever exist, and obviously the packaging. So this one, this one wins. But yeah, I like all of them. But obviously, if something is super unique here, it's definitely this ginger ale. And I've never tried something like this before, so it's completely a different taste. So yeah, last basic guava drink. Just the color I'm like doubting. I don't think the guava drinks should look like this. Or maybe I'm not used to guava drinks, so that's why. But I remember if I've ever had guava drink before, it has to be, that pinkish color. So maybe this is something different, because this one the packaging looks quite different. So maybe they have, uh, you know, try to change the taste or something. So this is also good. I like all of them, but the winner of today is this noise. Okay.